Have you thought about what you want to achieve in 2024? The secret to actualizing your dreams is setting meaningful goals. Not just any goals, but smart ones. Specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. It's like having a roadmap that guides you exactly where you want to go. Imagine you're an architect. You wouldn't start building a house without a blueprint, right? The same goes for your life. Your goals are the blueprint. They provide a clear vision of what you want to achieve and the steps needed to get there. And here's a tip. Don't just think about your professional aspirations. Think about your personal ones too. Maybe you want to learn a new language, or perhaps you wish to run a marathon. Whatever it is, write it down, make it smart, and commit to it. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. How does your mindset influence your experiences? Picture this. You're about to embark on a journey and you've got two pairs of glasses. One pair has a dark, smudgy lens that distorts everything you see. The other pair is crystal clear, bright, and sharp. Which pair would you choose? It's the same with our mindset. A positive mindset, like the clear pair of glasses, allows us to perceive our experiences in a brighter, more optimistic way. It fuels our enthusiasm, resilience, and drive to achieve the goals we've set. But what if you find yourself stuck with the smudgy glasses? That's where mindset shifts come into play. It's about challenging and overcoming those limiting beliefs that cloud our vision. It's about swapping out the old, distorted lens for a new, clear one. Cultivating a growth mindset involves embracing challenges, persisting in the face of setbacks, and understanding that effort is the path to mastery. Your mindset is the lens through which you see the world. Make sure it's clean and clear. Are you taking care of your physical and mental health? This question is more important than you might think. In our quest for a successful year, we often overlook the crucial role that health and wellness play. Physical well-being is not just about looking good, it's about feeling good. It's about having the energy to chase those ambitious goals. Exercise regularly, eat nutritious foods, get enough sleep. These are not groundbreaking secrets, but timeless truths we tend to forget. On the other hand, mental well-being is equally vital. Stress, anxiety, and negative thoughts can be significant roadblocks. Cultivate mindfulness, learn relaxation techniques, and remember to take mental health days when needed. A healthy mind is a powerhouse that can turn dreams into reality. Creating a balanced lifestyle might seem challenging, but it's entirely doable. Prioritize your health and wellness, because without them, every other goal becomes harder to achieve. Remember, your body is a temple. Treat it with respect and kindness. Are you making the most of your time? As we journey through this year, mastering the art of time management becomes indispensable. It's all about making conscious decisions and prioritizing the tasks that align with our goals. Effective time management techniques are like secret weapons. They give us the power to take control of our life, reduce stress, and increase productivity. Techniques such as the Eisenhower box, which helps us distinguish between urgent and important tasks, or the Pomodoro technique, which breaks work into intervals with short breaks, can do wonders for our productivity. But remember, it's not just about getting things done faster, it's about getting the right things done. Prioritization is the key here. Identify what's important and what's not. Learn to delegate or eliminate tasks that don't serve your goals. Organization goes hand in hand with prioritization. Keep your workspace clean, maintain a to-do list, and most importantly, avoid multitasking. It's all about doing one thing at a time and doing it well. Time is a non-renewable resource, use it wisely. What habits are you cultivating for success? Let's dive into the fascinating world of habit formation. Scientifically speaking, habits are the brain's way of streamlining our actions, reducing the need for decision-making and freeing up mental resources for other tasks. This is why habits, once formed, can be so hard to break. But don't worry, it's not an impossible task. To develop positive habits, start small. For example, if you want to read more, start with just 5 minutes a day. Consistency is key here. Also, always pair your new habit with a trigger. This could be an existing habit or a specific time of the day. For breaking bad habits, identify the trigger and reward associated with the habit, and try to replace the bad habit with a good one. Remember, we are what we repeatedly do. Excellence, then, is not an act, but a habit. Are you planning for financial success? A strong financial footing isn't built overnight. It's the result of careful planning, disciplined saving, and smart investing. Picture your financial stability as a three-legged stool, with each leg representing budgeting, saving, and investing. Let's start with budgeting. It's your financial blueprint. By tracking your income and expenses, you can identify areas for cost reduction, freeing up funds for saving and investing. Now, on to saving. Think of it as your financial safety net. It provides a cushion for unexpected expenses and helps you prepare for larger future expenditures. Finally, investing. This is your chance to grow wealth. Whether it's stocks, bonds, or real estate, investing can help you reach your financial goals faster. But remember, financial planning isn't about deprivation. It's about making your money work for you, so you can live the life you want. Always seek professional advice when needed. Remember, the best investment you can make is in yourself. Are you setting professional goals and pursuing continuous learning? If not, consider this. Your career is a significant part of your life, and your education doesn't have to end when you graduate. In fact, continuous learning can be your secret weapon for achieving success in the workplace. Whether you're aiming for a promotion, starting your own business, or simply want to boost your skills, setting clear and realistic professional goals can help you stay focused and motivated. It's about identifying where you want to go and then figuring out how to get there. But remember, it's also about learning along the way. This could mean attending workshops, enrolling in online courses, or even reading industry-related books. You see, the world is changing fast, and to stay ahead, you need to keep your knowledge and skills updated. Remember, learning is a lifelong journey. Stay curious. Are you nurturing your relationships and social connections? This is a question we should all ask ourselves. It's about more than just having friends or family. It's about maintaining healthy relationships, which are crucial for our well-being. Think of relationships like gardens. They need regular care and attention to flourish. And this care comes in the form of effective communication and conflict resolution. Communication is the water that nourishes relationships. It builds understanding, fosters empathy, and strengthens connections. So don't shy away from sharing your thoughts and feelings. Speak openly, but remember to listen too. Conflict, on the other hand, is like the weeds in your garden. If left unchecked, it can suffocate growth, but when handled effectively, it can actually make your relationships stronger. So when disagreements arise, approach them with an open mind and a calm demeanor. Seek to understand, then to be understood. Remember, no man is an island. We thrive through our connections with others. Are you practicing gratitude and maintaining a positive outlook? It's not just a rhetorical question, it's a daily challenge, a challenge that's well worth tackling. Gratitude, after all, isn't merely a feel-good buzzword, it's a powerful tool for transformation. When you express gratitude, you're acknowledging the good in your life. You're recognizing that the source of that good is, at least partially, outside yourself. This practice shifts your focus from what's missing in your life to what's present and abundant. But how do you maintain positivity, especially during challenging times? One strategy is to adopt a gratitude journal. Each day, jot down 3 things you're thankful for. They don't have to be grandiose. A warm cup of coffee, a call from an old friend, a beautiful sunrise. These simple pleasures matter. Another strategy is to practice mindfulness. Stay present, stay positive. Remember, gratitude is the healthiest of all human emotions. Practice it daily. Are you making time for joy and adventure in your life? It's a simple question, but one that holds profound significance. Life isn't just about the grind or the hustle. It's about the thrill of discovery, the joy of exploration, the exhilaration of stepping beyond the familiar. It's about trying new things. Whether that's a different coffee at your local cafe, a dance class you've always been curious about, or even a spontaneous road trip to a place you've never been before. It's about exploring hobbies, both old and new. Perhaps you used to love painting but haven't held a brush in years. Or maybe you've always wanted to try your hand at baking or photography. These are the moments that truly enrich our lives. They provide us with memories to cherish, skills to learn, experiences to grow from. So don't just exist. Live, adventure, have fun. Remember, life is meant to be enjoyed. Make time for fun. Are you prioritizing self-care? This question is more important than it may seem at first glance. Self-care is not a luxury, it's a necessity. It's about taking the time to replenish your mental, emotional, and physical energy. It's about being kind to yourself, allowing yourself to rest, and understanding that it's not just okay, but essential to put your own well-being first. So how can you practice self-care? Start by listening to your body and mind. Do you need rest, movement, nourishment, or social connection? Then, take action accordingly. Incorporate activities that you love into your daily routine. This could be as simple as a warm bath, a quiet walk in nature, a favorite hobby, or even just a few moments of stillness. Remember, self-care isn't selfish. It's an act of self-love and respect, so make it a priority. Remember, you cannot pour from an empty cup. Take care of yourself first. Are you learning from your experiences and adapting to changes? If not, it's high time we dive into the significance of reflection and adaptability. Reflection is not about dwelling on the past, but rather learning from it. It's about analyzing our experiences, understanding what we've done right, and identifying areas where we need to grow. It's about extracting lessons from our actions and using these insights to guide our future decisions. Adaptability, on the other hand, is the capacity to adjust to new conditions. It's about being flexible when life throws a curveball our way. It's about embracing change, not fearing it. It's about seeing challenges as opportunities for growth, not obstacles blocking our path. In a world that's constantly evolving, the ability to reflect and adapt is not just beneficial, it's crucial. It's a key ingredient in our recipe for personal and professional success. Remember, the only constant in life is change. Be adaptable and resilient. Are you ready to make 2024 the best year of your life? We've traveled through the realms of setting meaningful goals, shifting our mindset, prioritizing health and wellness, mastering time management, building robust habits, planning our finances, focusing on career and education, nurturing relationships and social connections, fostering gratitude and positivity, seeking adventure and fun, emphasizing self-care, and reflecting on our adaptability. We've been armed with strategies, tips, and actionable steps to transform this year into a remarkable journey of growth and fulfillment. Each aspect we've explored is a critical piece of the puzzle, shaping the bigger picture of our lives. So let's step into 2024, not with trepidation, but with a sense of purpose and determination. Let's use the knowledge we've gathered to create a year filled with achievement, joy, and personal development. Because ultimately, the power to shape our lives lies within us. Remember, you have the power to shape your life. Make 2024 a year to remember.